Hello, welcome to TOYSREVIL. What I'm doing here is an unboxing of Mona Lisa, Leonardo da Vinci's traveling museum from ZCWO Toys. Managed to grab this off a reseller. This is a pre-opened box, so I know what's inside based on the card that was showed outside lah. But this particular toy, it has been on my top 10 TOYSREVIL top 10 list for the longest time, but I've not had the ability to see it in person, or rather even buy it, or even see it online actually. So I hope this video acts as an opportunity to unbox this figure. Let's see the versions. This I think from series 1. I might be wrong, but anyway. So as I said, I got this as a pre-loved version, and what the reseller did was they opened up the box from the bottom. Yeah, they opened up the box from the bottom, and it came with a card. The card essentially gave away what the figure was, but as all resellers or collectors have been doing for their blind boxes, is they do not necessarily open the bag. It's still sealed, but what happens is when you open up the box, you would get the card. This is the card there that is on the other side, shows what the figure is, but I won't show it yet. I want to unbox it, or rather unseal, take out from the plastic bag essentially, so you can share along with me what is it that you find. This bag of the card, which I really enjoyed, is it has instructions on what you do with what you find inside and the accessories that come with it. So this is pretty cool. The frame, pretty cool, man. So I'll just put this aside. Let's have a look at what's inside. Now once I open, I'm not going to resell this, but then again we'll see. Ta-da! This is the figure. The figure is, I think, permed hair. The name is permed hair, if I'm not wrong. You can see from this image, this is the figure, standalone figure by itself. Let's see how we set this up. You have the frame, you have the base. This is the frame, and then I need to open it. And I don't have my scissors with me. Oh boy, what am I going to do? Give me a moment. As I rip open this bag. Oh, these are sturdy bags, man. The reason why I'm not editing this video is because I am filming real time, or rather I'm unboxing it real time. Stressful, sorry man, I wasn't prepared. Should have brought a pair of scissors with me, or a cutter. Gosh. Okay, this is the base. No, this is the back, and this is the base. And I figured it more likely would be like this. Yes, so you see from here, that is the backing. It slots in like that, and this is the base. I mean the frame. How does the frame go? Now the frame is a slot in. Is it a slot in? Okay, like this. Okay, you hear the click, and this is the frame. So three-dimensional. So yeah, this is my. Yeah, maybe I have to raise up a little bit so you can see the three-dimensional dioramic display. There it is, my Mona Lisa from Traveling Museum. You can see from side here, I do a turn around so you have an idea. So yes, this is my unboxing of this figure finally, which I can add to my blog post and my top 10 list. Yeah, I'll leave this here. This is the card next to this. Does it make sense? Yes, it makes sense lah. Thank you all for tuning in. Bye bye.